we are going to explore the creation of lower thirds from SRT files. To do this, we start by creating a new subtitle track, which we name lower third. Next, we create two subtitles with the first line containing the name and the second line indicating the function. I export them in SRT format. In After Effects, I open them with Motion Subtitle Maker. I then import a template from another After Effects project. To import a file, I simply double-click in an empty area of the project panel. The first composition seems perfect as it contains two text layers. However, when I refresh the template list, this composition doesn't appear. That's because it's not in the template folder at the root of my project. So, I drag it into the template folder, and when I refresh, it appears. Now I can select it and assign the text from my subtitles to each text layer. I start by selecting the desired text layer from the list, then specify that I want the first line of the subtitle for the name. For the text layer corresponding to the function in my composition, I specify that I want to use the second line of my subtitles. I confirm each by clicking Apply. The summary allows me to see what has been done. For my first text layer, I apply the first line of my subtitle, and for my second text layer, I apply the second line. I can now generate my compositions. However, there is an issue. When I play it, the animation doesn't reach the end. That's because the work area is based on the duration of my subtitle. I want the complete lower third animation, so I remove it. To maintain the duration of my template, I check the Keep Template Duration box. I check it and recreate all my compositions. My work area now matches the duration of my template. I can render them. Once rendered, I import them into DaVinci Resolve and proceed as before. And there you have it.
Today, we're introducing you to the cutest cat in the world. Take a look at this adorable feline, with its big, shiny eyes and incredibly soft fur. We've got an amazing surprise in store for this cat, so stick around till the end to find out what we've got planned. #TeamCuteCat.